Okay, Monday morning. Actually, now it's afternoon. So we have 2018 Mustang GT, and we're doing a sound system upgrade. We have our car wrapped nicely so that we reduce any chances of a problem with a scratch. And we have sound deadening. So the doors are now done. This door over here, we've got our car completely rolled out on the inner skin. So this is the passenger side door is ready, and we have our driver's side door ready. So you can see we've got our car wrapped inside and around, all the way around. So this will be tight. And we also have our first layer of wire run. You can see here we have our cable coming up and around neatly with the rest of our harness wrapped in Tessa tape. So here is our preliminary. Next will be putting sound deadening into the back here. So far so good. Video 1 on the Mustang project.